In this video, I will show you how to sync Teams and SharePoint to OneDrive. First thing you need to know is you need to head over first to their website or their respective applications. Head over to SharePoint as well as Teams and OneDrive and then head over and sign in to the same account over there. So it's actually connected to the same account since it's all under the Microsoft Enterprise. Once you're done with that, you should be able to see in here your actual SharePoint. Open your SharePoint app as well as your actual Microsoft Teams app. Once you have opened those together, next thing that you need to do is navigate to a specific team or channel where the files you want to sync are located. So, like this, head over to the files. And then from in there, you can click onto that particular file and you should be able to find right here a sync button. You should be able to just click that and then just follow the on-screen instructions from there. So on your SharePoint, you should be able to navigate to the document library. Just go over right here to the My Content option. So this is our actual document options. So in this, just look for the actual part right here that you want to actually sync. Look for the file right here and then just click on sync. For example, this one, you can click onto these three dots and you should be able to find right here a sync option. Now, your browser may ask for permissions on your OneDrive right here. In order to sync that, you just need to head over and then agree to the permission. And from in there, you should be able to access your sync file. You will find it on your Teams or SharePoint or on your File Explorer on your Windows. So do take note that the first time you sync, you may need to allow the OneDrive app to open the SharePoint site that we can see right here. So in order to stop syncing, you should not delete the files directly from the sync folder in File Explorer. Instead, just stop the sync from within the OneDrive settings that we have available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.